Welcome to Chalk Talk, Danville Public Schools' online news source. Well, it's that time of year again, and the Institute for Advanced Learning and Research is once again holding their annual Decorating Trees for a Cause. They kicked off the event with refreshments, Forest Hills and Schoolfield Elementary sang, and even Santa Claus was there to join in on the fun. But this is the first year that DPS has entered their own tree into the running, and we were there to catch all the action.
This is the first year that we have set up a tree for Danville Public Schools at the Decorating the Trees for a Cause here at the Institute. This year we chose our STEAM night tree because on April the 7th, 2020, from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., we will have our second annual STEAM night at Bonner Middle School. You can come out to the Institute anytime between now and December 20th to vote for our tree. You vote by putting any monetary donation into the bucket. And we're so excited to be here and participating in the Decorating Trees for a Cause this year.
It's important to note that all of the ornaments used to decorate the tree were handcrafted by students throughout our district. And again, you can help support them by making any monetary donation right at the tree located at the Institute. But you've got to hurry. You only have until December 20th. For more stories like this one, check out our website at danvillepublicschools.org. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and as always, tune in next time as we bring you more news from within the halls of Danville Public Schools.